Greetings friends, this is Ramesh Krishnan and it gives me an immense pleasure as I interact with you all through this video. I thought I would give you some valuable insights on the concept called hedonic adaptation. Hedonic adaptation, also known as hedonic treadmill, is a commonly observed syndrome or a tendency in human beings. According to this hedonic adaptation syndrome, human beings get into a stable level of happiness as time progresses, despite the major negative or positive impacts or mega changes in their lives. So the graph is very simple. You plot happiness along the y-axis and you plot time along the x-axis. As time gradually passes, your state of mental happiness comes to a constant and stable level. And they call this syndrome or tendency that is widely spread among the human beings on this planet today to be hedonic redemption or hedonic adaptation or hedonic treadmill. So friends, I was recently reading this book of Robin Sharma, The 5 AM Club. Robin beautifully suggests a way or a step ahead in your life to overcome this hedonic adaptation. He says, though the most luxurious thing that you could offer out of a 5-star hotel is just the starter salad, go and do that in the most luxurious hotel in your town. Even if you do not have a chance to drive the low-scale automobile, aim at buying something that is huge. Tip the waiters and vendors or sellers or any service people who help you luxuriously that you are so rich in many scales than them. And by doing all these, you actually fall into a mental state of doing something above your level of competence. So the key objective behind this video is just to give you an insight of not falling into the syndrome or tendency that most people on this earth are suffering from today, that is hedonic adaptation. Let the temporary joys, sorrows, positive and negative impacts of your life not have an impact on the scale of happiness that you pursue in your life. Always be happy, be positive, keep smiling, and be the kindest human being that you know on this planet. Let us not fall into the trap of hedonic adaptation. Have a great day. Bye.